How much money is enough money to bring you happiness?
Like
Like a month. How much would you
A
be
month?
happy with a month?
300 maybe.
$300 a month?
Yeah.
You'd be happy. Okay. What about you guys?
Maybe like 2,000.
2,000.
500 a week.
Like 5,000.
5,000.
What about you guys? How
Um,
much money a month would make you
To
happy?
maintain my lifestyle, 5,000.
What about you?
To make me happy?
Yeah.
Money doesn't buy happiness.
So, what's one thing that brings you happiness that doesn't cost any money?
My dog. He doesn't talk.
Would you be
Dog.
able to date a guy who makes twice less than you do?
Yeah. I don't need no guy to be supported by.
Fair enough. Thank you.
Fair enough. Thank you guys. Can we ask you a question? Do you think money buys happiness?
Sort of, yeah.
What's one thing that doesn't cost you anything but makes you really happy?
Memories.
Memories. Okay.
Yeah.
How much of an allowance are you going to give your future wife?
Allowance?
Like a month. How much money would you give her a month out of your salary? Percent.
It depends.
Out of 100.
It depends, like how much she deserves. You know?
Let's say she deserves a lot. Well, you guys are married.
How many hours of work is she putting in? Is what you
Like
mean?
we will share same money. Like,
Okay,
So
but
it doesn't
out of
matter.
yours.
Yeah, we have same budget. Like,
Same budget?
Yeah.
Okay. Do you think a woman should make more or less than a man? Or equal?
It depends on your work. Like if you work hard enough, you will get paid more.
Are you okay with buying her designer bags?
I guess if she wants some, yeah, why not?
What if she's materialistic? What are your opinions on materialistic women?
I wouldn't be with her in the first place. If she's materialistic, she wouldn't be with me because yeah. I wouldn't be
Fair
with
enough.
her.
He knows his values.
Very, very strong core values.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.